So here is how to add a page number or page numbers in Microsoft Word. It is important to add page numbers before adding any other elements to the header or footer of your page. Otherwise, other elements will replace the page numbers. So here's the procedure on how to add a page number. So from the Insert tab on your ribbon, you can go to the header and footer group. There is where you find the page number. And when we click this page number, you can see we have several options on where to place our number, our page number. You can place it on the top of the page or the bottom of the page or even page margins. You can select anywhere you want to place your page numbers, and you can see there's an option here. You're given the choice on where you want to position your page numbers. Once you make a choice, for example, I will select in the middle, let's say at the bottom of the page, in the middle. Once we click there on the footer, you can see we have our page number appears immediately. And when we click away from the footer, double click, then we can see we have our page number. Currently we only have one page, but I can insert another page to see how it appears on the next page. For example, let me add another page. You see this one is labeled automatically. It goes to number 2, page number 2. So that's how you insert page numbers on your document. Let's recap. First of all, you said you have to be on the Insert tab, then you go to the header and footer group, select the page number. From the page number, you can select the position you want your number to appear. So let's choose this one, select that one, and you can see our numbers will be set where we have selected. So you can see there's number 1 there, there's number 2 there. Thank you for viewing, and if you found some value, remember to subscribe to this channel, and you can leave a thumbs up as well in order to hack the YouTube algorithm. So that's how you add a page number to your Microsoft Word document. Thank you for viewing.